Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 32 power x plus 32 power x equal 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So in this video, we are going to solve like if I take 32 power x as common, so 1 plus 1 equal 1. So 32 power x times 2 equal 1. So 32 power x equal 1 by 2. 32 I can write it as 2 power 5 whole power x equal 1 by 2 as 2 power minus 1. Now as per exponent rule x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So it becomes 2 power 5x equal 2 power minus 1. Now on comparing both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 5x equal minus 1, x equal minus 1 by 5. I hope it's clear and find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.